Worthless Mutts here, Gore the Dog Butcher. In this video, we have a dog lover with a so-called service dog complaining at another lady who has a dog in the store. Just watch and witness the Dognuttery for yourself.
Can you please take your dog out of the store? Like, that's illegal. You can't have a pet in the store. That's... Then you shouldn't have your dog in the store, ma'am. It's illegal. It's against the law.
It's not.
This is my service animal. As you can see, she's well behaved. And your dog is literally barking at us and distracting us. This is a seizure alert dog. Can you please back up? Can you please back up? This is a seizure alert dog. Can you please back up, ma'am?
Then this dog doesn't have a leash on either.
You can't control your dog.
So no leash.
This way. This way.
There you have it, Dognut. We have a dognutter with a service dog without a leash complaining at another dognut who's carrying her dog, who's barking while in the store. Dognuttery for you. So this is just another Worthless Mutts, and remember, it is okay to hate dogs.